am so happy to be here tonight. Miss Melissa gave me the call to come host this amazing event, and I came over in my running shoes. And they are too small and they hurt, but I'm working it out tonight with you guys. We are gonna have a ball tonight. I was backstage with the models. We were having fun. We were fierce. We were celebrating fashion. We almost didn't want to come out, but I told the girls we had to come out. There's a lot of people waiting for us, so we're gonna enjoy the night. I want everybody to relax, to remember why we're here. There's a big picture why we're here. 10 years ago, we were attacked, and some people were affected a lot more than others. So tonight, we are here to focus our time, our energy, and our dollars on the Twin Tower Orphan Fund. So let's not forget about them.